Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 9, Living with Disaster. At the end of this class, we will know the effect of climate change in Bangladesh and other parts of the world, causes of environmental problem. So, the effect of climate change in Bangladesh. We know that the climate change, also called global warming. So what is global warming? Global warming means to the rise in average surface temperature of Earth. So when the Earth temperature will be increased, then the climate change will be occur so frequently. The effect of climate change has already become visible in Bangladesh, such as seasonal variation, flood erosion, drought, salinity of water, forest and biodiversity. So these types of problem we will face day by day due to climate change. Seasonal variation. We know that in our country we have 6 seasons, but nowadays we just feel 3 seasons: summer, winter and rainy season. So in summer season become hotter and the temperature reaches up to 45 to 48 degrees centigrade in some part of the country. So summer season become day by day, summer season become so much hotter. Similarly, winter temperature becomes very low. Many people die because of this unusual and extreme weather condition. In rainy season, heavy rainfall is occurring in the month of Ashin. But due to that reason, we face untimely flood. Flood is a common annual phenomenon in Bangladesh. So every year we face flood. We know that Bangladesh is a land of river. Nowadays, due to climate change, frequent and devastating floods are occurring. In 1988, 1995, 1998 and 2005, we face that huge amount of flood. For that flood also damage to our lives and properties. River erosion. Erosion of river bank is a normal incident in Bangladesh. Also, a large amount of farmland is lost in Bangladesh. In last 3 decades, we lost lots of hectares of farmland due to just for 3 rivers mainly responsible for that river erosion: the Podda, the Jamuna and the Meghna. In this picture, we see that river erosion. Drought. Drought is a period of unusually dry weather due to shortage of weather supply. Hot temperature can make a drought. Forest. Forest is a piece of land with many trees. Many animals need forests to live and survive. According to the UNFAO, 11.1% of Bangladesh is forested. But we know that every country needs 25% of forest. Only one mangrove forest in Bangladesh is the Sundarban, which is not only full of biodiversity but also a very valuable resource for us. The Sundarban works as a protection embankment to prevent natural disasters such as cyclone, hurricane and etc. Due to Sundarban, which prevent lots of natural disasters. If the sea level rises by 45 cm, about 75% of the Sundarban forest will submerge in water. If the sea level rises by 100 cm, just only 100 cm, then whole forest will be lost. So loss of biodiversity. Due to climate change, we also lost our biodiversity. Biodiversity is a very important factor for ecological balance. It is estimated that due to climate change, about 30% of biodiversity will be lost in Bangladesh. Natural disaster. Due to climate change, we also face lots of natural disaster frequently. Cyclone, tornado, tsunami will be the more frequent and devastating natural disaster. So, due to climate change, we know that we will also face lots of environmental problems. Almost all countries in the world, including Bangladesh, also face lots of problems. One of the most important environmental problem is population growth. When population will be grow so rapidly, that time we also face lots of environmental problems so quickly. Total population in the world is approximately 7 billion now. By 2050, the world population will reach at approximately 10 billion with the present growth rate. So, 3 million will be increased just within 30 years. From a study found that after 1950, about 80% of the forest was lost due to increase in population. So, we will face lots of environmental problems. The most important environmental problem is global warming. We know that when the temperature of the earth will be increased, that time that is known as global warming. The primary cause of global warming, we know that the burning of fossil fuel such as oil and coal. The reason of global warming is the increase of greenhouse gas. There are lots of greenhouse gas such as carbon dioxide, ozone, methane, CFC, nitrous oxide and water vapor. The main greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. The main source of greenhouse gases are vehicles, industry, power plant, refrigerator, air conditioner, etc. Due to increase in population and the demand of vehicles, industrial development and the electricity are going up, resulting in higher emission of greenhouse gas. When the amount of carbon dioxide is increased gradually in environment. So we know that due to global warming, the main cause of global warming is the carbon dioxide is increased gradually in our temperature. If the emission of greenhouse gases is not reduced, the atmospheric temperature will increase significantly and that will change the global climate. So, carbon pollution. Carbon pollution basically means increase of carbon dioxide in the temperature. So this is also a greenhouse gas. Deforestation. Deforestation is a severe environmental problem and it is also linked with population growth. Due to the increase in population, demand for housing, road construction, foods, crop increases, and all these basic needs are directly or indirectly related with deforestation. So, we will face lots of environmental problems due to our climate change. So, now we are finished our class. Next class we will learn the reason behind disaster and their prevention and remedies also. So, thank you student. Allah Hafiz.